Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you apartments.com how to terminate lease. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Terminating a lease through apartments.com involves following the terms of your lease agreement and notifying your landlord or your property management company. Apartments.com itself doesn't manage the termination process directly, but they provide tools and access to communicate with your landlord. In order to terminate your lease on apartments, first what you need to do is review your lease agreement. Then once you have done with that, second is to notify your landlord. Communicate early or send a formal written notice of your intent to terminate the lease, and then next is to submit the notice via apartments.com by simply heading over and opening up the app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, you'll be getting your My Account button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on that, and then all you gotta do is select current rental and use contact landlord or send message to submit the notice or request further instructions. Then next is to follow move out instructions and request the return of your security deposit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.